Bisq Decentralized Exchange App Review. Bisq is a decentralized, peer-to-peer, P2P, exchange that allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin without relying on a centralized authority. It operates through open-source software and does not require KYC, Know Your Customer, verification, making it a popular choice for privacy-focused traders. For its installation and setup, I'll just summarize it for you. First, download and install Get Bisq from the official website and install it on your PC, Windows, macOS, Linux. Then run the app. No account creation is needed since Bisq is decentralized. Next is set up security. Create a wallet, back up the seed phrase, and secure your funds. Then add payment method. Choose how you'll send, receive fiat, e.g., bank transfer, Revolut. And then fund your wallet. Deposit BTC to cover security deposits and trading fees. Lastly, start trading. Browse offers or create your own trade order. I will only mention 3 top key features for this app. Starting from number 1 is decentralized and privacy-focused, means no KYC, no central authority, and no need to trust a third party. All trades are peer-to-peer. Second is its non-custodial security, means users control their funds at all times, with multi-signature transactions and security deposits ensuring safe trades. And lastly is fiat to Bitcoin trading without censorship. This supports various fiat payment methods worldwide, allowing users to buy BTC without relying on centralized exchanges. As for the pros and cons, users generally like Bisq for its privacy, decentralization, and security, but dislike the slow trades, low liquidity, and complex setup. Privacy-focused traders appreciate the no KYC requirement, while beginners and high-volume traders find it inconvenient compared to centralized exchanges. As for the performance and usability, Bisq offers strong security and privacy, but its slow trade speed, low liquidity, and complex setup make it less user-friendly than centralized exchanges. And for comparison, unlike Uniswap, Fast ERC, 20 swaps, or Thorchain, cross-chain swaps, Bisq is P2P fiat to BTC and prioritizes decentralization. Compared to local Monero, Bisq has fewer fiat payment options but stronger multi-SIG security. And in conclusion, it's best for privacy-focused BTC traders, but not ideal for beginners or those needing fast, high-volume trades. I guess that is enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.